Okay, welcome. Today is January 26, 2025, our first podcast in 2025, and we're just getting started. So now let's see. This is going to be a major week for the blue chips, and we'll also look into some other stocks. So, anything? Let's first, Prasad. You want to share? Prasad is my partner. We're working together on the stock side. Prasad, do you want to share anything? What stock you want to discuss?
Yeah, first I would like to discuss the nuclear stocks.
Okay. Which one?
OKLA, OKLO.
OKLO. Okay,
Yeah.
let's OKLO. So Oklo will be, let's see, it's a nuclear stock, and I believe they have been still expanding. The business is expanding. Cash flow is not consistent, but getting better. Um, and there is one thing is liabilities have gone up. I mean, personally, I think Oklo is more of a niche market because of the best part of this is they have new a lot of assets being built in. Liabilities have reduced, so I feel Oklo is a good buy, but we still have to look for some pullbacks. The stock was at some point $10, and it's close to the support near 2022 range. So I'm okay to add Oklo, but again, momentum player is fine. Being, but always takes tight stop losses if you are adding this to your portfolio. Okay.
Okay.
Um, yeah. So yeah. So Oklo sounds decent for future growth, and the main part is because of the AI, the power will be a requirement, and that's the US never had this type of situation where the power was causing a trouble. Now nuclear and any other form, including the solar or others, they are going to be very important to cover the power need. And nuclear is well tested, been in the industry for a very long period, except the nuclear waste and everything that other concerns may have, but how they are making smaller grids, which they have nuclear power plants to be
Mhm.
able to localize the area more effectively with a lower cost is going to be important. So yeah, I'm having, so let's say we add Oklo to our watch list. So that's how I added here. We'll keep a look. What is the next one, Prasad?
Uh, NNE,
N,
NE.
two times N.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, NNE, nano nuclear energy. Okay, let's see. Nano is, okay. Nano is close to $1.63 billion market cap, and average, that's everything is okay. Let's see. This been a little bit more methodically growing up, so looks like little bit in the space for longer. So for now, I'll say Nano is decent buy. I can similar range than the Oklo.
Mhm.
Uh, yeah, but um, let's see. Yeah, very similar to Oklo.
Okay.
Yeah, for now, yeah, just when you're buying it, buy and sell, do not hold, or if you are buying small, then you don't have to worry.
Okay.
So again, buying small is also a strategy. Yeah. And okay, let me make it as a nuclear. So let's see. Okay, so now this is part of nuclear, and okay, so here to delete one. All right, that's fine. Next one, Prasad.
SMR.
MR.
S for yeah, SMR.
SMR. Yeah, SMR is, I think, is more. I like them. I mean, again, cash flow is jitterish. Um, SMR, better, more. Been in the. I think they have been in the. Let's see how long they have been. About close to 2021, 4 or 5 years. I I like SMR as well, more close to the previous one.
Mhm.
So let's see. Uh, okay, I'll make it. Okay, so SMR is also there. Which one next?
L L T
L
B T T for Tom,
L T
B for boy,
L T B.
R for Robert. Yeah.
Okay, okay, coming down all the way from. Okay, so with this type of um, probably their volume is less. As I said, average volume is less. So it's moving up because of, so still upside. Uh, I would be, I think this stock is a little bit of an more of a watch rather than, yeah, just be cautious on this one. But again, with the industry, and this is also on the Light Bridge Corporation is really, is this a nuclear? SM, what was that? LM?
LTBR.
LTBR. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So LTBR is a yearly range is close to $12 up to maximum $2 to $14. Um, and the company is LT Bridge. Let's see. Fuel is a secret. Okay. I mean, I'm still positive. It's just that it's a lower float. There's lower market cap, little bit more risk. Uh,
Okay.
yeah, so that's the only thing is we need to look into. Yeah. Anything else?
Yeah. Next one is
I
R
R.
E N.
Okay. So I ran. Let's see. Okay. Now this is about good volume is good. So there is a
Yeah.
good amount of volatility in good amount of liquidity in the stock. Let's see. I like this stock better than the except the cash flow. I don't know why their cash flow is again, but better than 2023. Yeah, I think I like this more than the. It's one of the good ones because more stability, the chances of it of having any issues. I would be investing into this. I like a little bit more.
Okay.
I just need to see their website. Let's see if we have. Okay, so I will. Okay, so this is renewable energy as well. That also explains the stability. Um, so okay, we let's do this. Let's do this, Prasad. We can actually bring this up, put to our research, and we'll go through the little bit more of a research, and we'll
Okay.
discuss it on our next week's podcast. Okay.
Sure.
Uh, uh, okay. Okay. All right. Which one? What next?
Next one is LEU.
LEU. Okay. So LEU is. Uh, okay, market cap again small. Volume is less. Cause also tells about the choppiness, but let's see. Trusted nuclear partner to the world. Okay, I will take a look into this again. How this overall business is evolving. But as of now, this is more like not immediately favorite. I still like the other ones, which are better volume um, and so that their pricing model and everything is more predictable. Then the
Okay.
price action is also a little bit more predictable. Okay, which one? Anything else?
Yeah, I think the last one is UEC.
UEC, Uranium Energy
Yeah.
Corporation.
Yeah.
Okay, volume is good, so I like UEC. Yeah, $7, 7.5. It's okay. This can be bought. You just need to come out of this resistance zone. Should move up. Also following a trend line. This has a good history, good liquidity. I think I like this stock generally more than the low volume ones. Yep, I think this is okay. This is something I like right now. We'll add it to our research as well, and
Okay.
then we can go some more into it. Okay, so this that ends up our nuclear session today, and then we will go over some of the earnings. Let's see. It's going to
Okay.
be a major earning week. Monday morning we have SoFi. Let's take a look. SoFi has done quite well actually. It's so I'm kind of interested to know where they are. So their earnings bring. Okay, so right now I'm kind of interested to know where the $15-14 is a decent buy after earnings. Okay, now let's see. Next one is AT&T. It's been a long, uh, like good dividend stock. It pays about 18%. No, they reduced it now. Now it's close to 4.89% dividend. And yes, they have had good run. And right now, I'm buyer of AT&T close to near 20, 20 or below. Let's see. We have other sales. The ones I do not, there are many other, but I will be skipping a lot of the stocks. We can go to the next major one is Boeing. It's been a stock that I've been following for a couple of years. Very not very predictable because it's news based, quite a bit news based. But let's see. And with their major issues with their production. I'm expecting if this stock goes up, been sideways for almost 5 years, it's long period, going up and down, up and down. But if it actually is able to break close to 180, There is a good potential to it actually go towards um, like 200 plus 250 range. So Boeing has been consolidating for a while. Whenever it will break out, it will cross 250 or at least 230, 240. um, okay. And GM, let's also look into, okay, we have some investments in Chubb, CHUBB. Let's see. UBB. No, not this, not the Chubb. It's a different one. So we'll leave the Chubb. We'll go to some other. Next one coming up is a Wednesday afternoon. Is Wednesday morning we have T-Mobile. So let's do T-Mobile. T-Mobile is decent with the 5G expansion. Everything is T-Mobile is now one of the good companies to look for. Their dividend yield is 1.61, hardly anything. So you leave it around there and just focus on T-Mobile's growth. If um, it's been a company which really, I mean, had a very fantastic run up. It was a 16, $17 stock, and then 2020 close to $70. Now it's been really touching the skies. Really good return on T-Mobile. I think I would buy the stock at any weakness, but right now, let's see how the earnings wrap it up. Um, let's do the Tesla all-time favorite. Um, Tesla has been now after the swearing ceremony of Trump, it's been going on the sideways weakness, but it has earning, and probably that's the reason pullback before it could move up. So if it goes, and the chances of weakness on Tesla will be less because of his Elon's direct involvement with Trump and Dodge policies, and also I'm expecting Tesla to hold 430, 440 range and go higher. So after the earnings, it might even touch 450. So we'll see. But again, it has had a good run. Having some coolness is fine. This is nothing wrong in that. Um, some of the stocks I'm going to skip because this will be a major. Maybe we have to do another uh, call on some stocks which we want to do during the week. Other than that, oil I'm going to skip, which is we have ExxonMobil, we have Chevron on Friday, we have General Dynamics. There are many stocks. So for now, I think we'll just keep it. This will be a very busy week from the S&P standpoint, and the next week will be again. We'll have all the Tesla is this week, but next week we are going to have Google, Apple, Meta. We have. So let's quickly take a look. Oh, Microsoft we have. So we have Microsoft Meta. Let's quickly take a look into Meta. There's like we all know how Meta has a very good run actually um, in our why it doesn't show. Okay, sorry. Why? For some reason, Meta's chart is not coming. But Meta, I mean, I'm not buying Meta. It's just almost buying at the top. I don't want to get into that trap. I'm kind of just waiting for because and it deviates very. The earnings could be really an important element on Meta. So for now, I'm just not buying, but we'll see how the earning goes. Mm. And then Microsoft MSFT. Okay, so let's see. Yep, Microsoft has been very stable, good company with the cloud growth, AI and all. I think it's a decent company to hold. Dividend 0.75, not significant, but it can be a decent portfolio as long as it's not going below 420. this Microsoft is a decent hold. Okay, um, one of the big components of S&P 500 and Nasdaq. So okay, so I think that pretty much wraps up. If anything is required, please comment on our channel. It's basically YouTube ZestStockMirror, and or you can visit our website ZestStockMirror.com and let us know your thought process. You can reach out to us by message or call or multiple ways on the website. Everything has been shown. Okay, have a wonderful week trading. If any questions, feel free to join via your comments. All right. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Avi.
Me.